Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel Master Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to create new kids profile on your Netflix account. So before watching the video, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. We go and open the Netflix app. And after opening the Netflix app, you just need to click on the profile icon, on your profile icon on the top right of the screen. The blue one for me, I don't know the color for you, it may change. And after that, as you can see, there is next to your profile, for me, my profile name is Ahmed on the top of the screen, in the top middle of the screen, there is another icon, add profile. Click on it. And after that, as you can see here, you will create new profile. For example, we name it test. And after that, as you can see, this profile is normal profile, but if you want it to be kids profile, you just need to activate this the first option, kids profile. Click on it, and as you can see now, it's kids profile. You can change the avatar to other avatars. For example, I will choose this avatar and just click on save. And as you can see, the kids profile is created and you can use it for your kids. And I hope you like the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.